Firstly, thank you very much for your purchase. I hope you are happy with your new timepiece. We're going to go through how to adjust and set up your new timepiece. I'm going to start off with the Oyster and Submariner models. They're both the same, so it doesn't matter which one we use. So the first thing you need to do is to unscrew the crown, and when you do, it will just pop out that last bit. Then if you pull the crown out one click, you'll go into the date adjust mode, where anti-clockwise will increase the date. If you then pull it out again, go into the time adjust mode, and you can turn to adjust the time. When you're done, push it all the way in, and you can wind it if you need to. These watches are automatic, so wearing them will wind them, and they will run for 41 hours without being worn or wound before they stop. Very important when you're done to push in and screw that crown all the way home to maintain the water ingress protection. Then we move on to a different model. This is a GMT, and you can see with the extra hand on the screen. So the same here, just unscrew to unlock it, pull it out one click, and now anti-clockwise will adjust the date, clockwise will adjust GMT hand, then pull out again and you'll be in time adjust mode. And the same, push all the way in to wind it. And when you're done, just push in and screw that crown all the way home to maintain the ingress protection. Then the other model we have here is basically any chronograph watch. Now these use a mecha quartz movement rather than an automatic movement, so there is no winding of these, but there is a battery that will need replacing in the back. But you still need to set the time, so the same thing applies. You have to unscrew the crown and it will just pop out. Once it has popped out, you just pull on that all the way out and you can go into time adjust mode. Once you've set the time, just screw it all the way back. And then the other function of this watch is the chronograph. So you have start and stop at the top, reset at the bottom, but they are locked for ingress protection. So you have to unscrew the lock first. Then when you press, it will start the chronograph. You can press it again to stop the chronograph. And then if you unlock the bottom one, you can press that and it will reset. Very important here, you must remember to lock those back down to maintain that ingress protection. When it comes to adjusting the bracelet, if you look one side, you'll be able to see screw heads on some of the links, and these are the adjustable links. If you look from the wrong side, you won't see a screw head. So just flip it over to the other side and you'll see. And you just need a very fine flathead screwdriver to unscrew those. Then you can remove the number of links you need, pop it back together and screw one of the pins back in